block is called Crossroads. It's a 12-inch block. Here's the picture and the diagram. And here's what it looks like with 4 blocks with sashing and cornerstones. And here are the patches. There are 6 patches. Patch A is cut 3 inches by 3 inches. It's a 2.5-inch finished square. These are all not standard sizes here. There's no AccuQuilt die for this that I know of. We'll need 4 patches of the background. Patch B is cut 3 3/8 inches. It's a half square triangle, and we cut the square 3 3/8 inches, cut it in half once diagonally, and we get 2 patches. We'll need 12 patches for the background, which means we'll have to cut 6 squares of the background fabric and cut each one in half diagonally to get our 12 patches. We'll need 8 patches for the dark floral, so that means we'll have to cut 4 squares and cut each one of those in half diagonally to get the 8 patches. 4 patches of the light floral fabric, so we'll cut 2 squares at 3 3/8 inches, cut those in half diagonally once. The square, patch A and B, will go in the corner units. The rest of the patches are part of the center units. Patch C is cut 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and it goes here on the outside. Patch D is cut 3 inches by 2.5 inches. We need 4 of those, and those go right here. Patch E is the background fabric, cut 2.5 inches by 2 inches, and it goes right here. Patch F is cut 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. It's a square, 1 patch, and it goes in the center. Let's take a look at how this block is put together. Let's deconstruct it into our grid. I would call this an uneven 3x3 grid. If you cut it into thirds, and you first cut vertical cuts right here and then right here, and do the same thing for horizontal here and here, you'll have an uneven 9-patch grid. The corner unit here is 1. This middle unit or center unit here is 2. And then another corner unit is the 3rd grid. And then you have the same thing repeated down. So those across and down, it's a 3x3 uneven grid. And how I would look at this to deconstruct it is to look at the corners first, and you see that we have a half square triangle here, a square, another half square triangle, and another. So this is made of 3 half square triangles and 1 square. And then this corner unit is repeated in all 4 corners. The center unit is the CED unit, and this is what makes the crossroads, is what I think. These 3 patches make up one of the center units, and you'll have 4 of those. Then you have a square in the center. And so how we're going to put it together is first start by making the half square triangles, then putting together the corner units, and then we'll put together the center units before we put the block together. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. All of these patches up here are for the corner unit. Here's the square, which is patch A. These half square triangles are all B patches. So we'll sew these half square triangles together, and then we'll sew the corner unit together. And these patches here are all for the center unit, and I have them laid out how they'll be put together. Actually, this is the center unit, and then we make 4 of these, and this is the very center patch. So let's stitch the half square triangles and stitch these units together. The half square triangles are all sewn and pressed. I pressed the seams open. We have these little nubs here, and I just cut them off with my scissors because they just get in the way when you're trying to piece them. So cut off all the nubs. And here is the layout for the corner units. So we'll sew these together. We'll sew the top, these two together, then these two, press them, and then sew this row to that row, and that will be finished. Here is the center unit, sew that together, and then we'll just put it together to make the block. Now we'll piece the block together. Thank you for watching.